Spark supports two APIs, DataSets and DataFrames. For DataFrames, you can either infer the schema from the input or preferably define it programmatically. Datasets, on the other hand, call for a domain class, for example a case class, to define the schema of the data. But keep in mind that casting from a data frame to dataset does not change the underlying data and its schema. If you're not aware of that, you might be surprised with the results. Here we have songs data that we want to cut down to an artist's data, put only a few columns from there, and call distinct. If we just use casting to a dataset for the artist, you might end up with not exactly what you probably want. In our case, columns were not actually removed from the input dataset, and the distinct didn't work as expected. One idea to deal with that is to add select transformation to manually by hand pick the columns. This is not exactly the most dry approach, but it works. More generic approach would allow us to not specify those column names once in transformation. In order to do that, we can use tools like reflection to extract the field names from the case class and feed them to select transformation. With this, we have a dry approach, and we actually select the columns that are relevant to the dataset and not pass anything extra.